Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing shopping at Lowe's. We're looking at the after Christmas sales. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Turgos to deals. Yeah, happy New Year's to everybody. This is the first day at 2020. Starting off with 99 bucks. Impact driver, drill driver from Craftsman. These are great little kits for somebody that doesn't have any power tools or wants to have some power tools for the DIY. You know, nothing professional, great DIY. You got the buy one get one free. It's down to $199, and you get those tools for free. Your choice to any of those tools. $199 is definitely a great deal. Would recommend that. That battery there is worth 99 bucks by itself. You got that one for $19.98. It is like yeah, thank you. A ratcheting screwdriver with some bits. And you got that for $19.98. $7.98 for the blade. It is a 7.5 24 tooth, or 7 1/4. My bad. Got another blade over here. $19.98. Got a nice little kit, a safety kit. It does come with glasses, safety glasses, and some ear protection and breathing protection. Yeah, I use these masks for work. Well, not these exactly. I use the one from Home Depot, but I was just looking at the breather. That has it on the side, not on the front. Usually they have it on the front, but this one has it on the side, which is, something, great because it's their brand. They're changing the game there. Got some more blades there. Some toolboxes. Compressors, air hoses for $19.98. Those are pretty like DIY type of air hose. They're not really heavy duty type, so just keep that in mind. $9.98 for tape measure. $24.98. Flashlight $29.97. You got $79.98 for Craftsman 51 piece. They just got a few of these in stock. They've been selling a lot of these. $69.98. Like I said, they've been selling a lot of those. $24.98. Great little kits there. That one's a good one for $39.98. Definitely recommend that one for you. If you're gonna throw it on the truck, make sure you have some tools. $29.98. And then that's a homeowner's, really basic homeowners or home use type of thing. Really basic tools. Like I said, somebody that doesn't have any tools at all. Maybe if you live in an apartment, you just want to have some basic tools. Always need those tools. $4.98, just under $5 basically. You can tell they're already selling them like really bad. $15.28, $8.98 for the 2-pack of knives. Only got a few of them in stock. Got another screwdriver here with some bits. And you got a pen there. It's like a screwdriver pen. Slim design. $3.98. Screwdrivers there for $32. Some more mechanic sets. You got a pocket, a measure there. More measuring devices. Then you got the tool set for $24.98. Cobalt $7.98. $9.98 ratcheting. Nice. $6.98 for the hammer. $5.98 for the bits. Got some more blades there. $9.98 with 2 knives. It's a nice little set. Definitely a great little deal there. These box cutters are really useful. You got some more screwdrivers, $15.98. Definitely some great tools. You got some more screwdrivers here. A big pack of 20. $12.98. I was trying to see if I could see the back of the old price, but yeah, these are actually gone down. I don't know exactly how much they've gone down, but they are down. Great deal at $12.98. $17.98 for that. Then you got that $14.98 for that one, for the 50 piece. $17.98 for the plier set. You got a 6 piece. And then a little precise mini pliers, $14.98. You got some more pliers there. Impact wrench for 99 bucks. It is recorded. You got a nice toolbox here. This is basically a DIY toolbox. This has gone down. It's not the best quality ever. You don't want to put a lot of weight on this, but a little bit of some tools and for DIY works fine. Just under 500 bucks for that toolbox. And then $12.98, your choice. Some bits. Some more bits for under $5. You got some, definitely some useful bits in there. Those little kits are nice. $4.98, $19.98. It's a great big kit right there. Pretty much includes everything. Some bits, spade bits, nut drivers. Here's another kit for $19.98. Great little kit. Some sockets, some extensions. Got a lot of those. $49.98. Little homeowner set there for 73 pieces. It's like a little pouch. You can stick everything in there. Then you got some knee pads. These are nice. I was just looking at these. It's like having another pair of shoes on in your knees. $24.98. And then I was looking at this. $139. Not a bad deal. It is a brushless 24 volt max impact driver and drill driver. It only comes with one battery. That's the only downside. Still, it's still a great deal. Still an awesome deal because you can just pick up another battery for 20 bucks. $7.98 for the bit piece. $12.48 for the screwdriver set. It's a 100 pack. Got some earring blades. Definitely like the earring blades. $24.98 for the gloves. These are really nice. Alright, we got some Craftsman. We got that deal there for 216 piece for 99 bucks. It did go down. Used to be more than that. So if you guys are in need of some tools, mechanics tools, definitely check those out. 99 bucks, your choice. Pretty much you can choose from any of the drills, impact drivers, or any of the tool sets at the bottom. That's 89 bucks, by the way. The 200 piece. It's a big set right there. Pretty much includes everything that you need. And that's a mechanics set, basically. It's inclined to the mechanic. And 99 bucks for a single drill or impact driver. You got the Freak Bosch impact driver drill driver, $149. Not a bad deal. It does come with 2 batteries, so you got some definitely a great deal there for the impact driver and drill driver. You got some oscillating bits there and some accessories, tips. You got a drill driver, 79 bucks. A great little drill driver. We got a hammer drill, $199. A router, $149. Then you got a hand router, which is the smaller one, palm router, however you want to call it. You got some Mewin, $749. Some blades. Some more measuring devices. Some more bits from Bosch are great, guys. 12. Yeah, those are definitely good. Linux. You got some Cobalt 1598. And they're running out of these. They're selling really quick. I had a hard time finding those. They only have a few of them left. That's the homeowners 1498 basic tools. You got some more DeWalt, some blades, a 10 tool combo kit, 529. Most of these are brush tools, older tools, just to let you know, but they are still DeWalt. They will still last you forever. They do, I believe they do include a newer tool, which is that one, the oscillating tool, $49.98. A circular saw, $99, and they got the recip saw, $79. Made in the USA with global materials. $14.98. It's 82 piece. Not not a bad deal there. You guys see, you're getting two little sets there, and you guys are getting the clear lids, so you guys could see what's inside without opening the box. And I believe they are stackable, so you can stack them up. So great little kits there. You got some more over here. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. 52 piece. $14.98. And then you got some bits there, drilling. Those are titanium bits. So definitely like your better bit there. It's a 110 piece, which is a 4 kit set for $25.98. And you got that one for $19.98, which is, I think it's a great deal. The only thing that I don't need any bits, I already have a whole lot of bits. That's why I didn't get them. But yeah, this does include the spade bits, extensions, drill bits, black oxide, Phillips, all kinds of stuff. So visit your nearest Lowe's, look for that. They're running out, so if you guys need them, pick them up. $14.98. You got $7.69 with the 7 tool combo kit. Me personally, I just like to choose my own tools, so I don't really like those big combo kits. Maybe a 2 or 3 combo kit, or if I see like a brushless, then I'll pick it up. Those are the better tools to buy, the brushless. Get a little bit more power, more out of your battery there. $34.98, $19.98. Got some Irwin bias grips. Definitely like the Irwins. Got some Linux here at the end. Some pipe cutters. You got buy one get 2 items free. You get a battery and a tool of your choice. So you have to buy that toolkit at the top or at the bottom. $159, $199. Gets it down to $199. Yep, it is down to $199. So come and pick it up. It's $30 cheaper. Definitely well worth it. Yeah, that one's the same, $2.99. And you can choose any of those tools for free and get that battery.
You find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. Plus the battery.
Let me know if you need anything.
Thank you. You got some DeWalt bits there. Some on sale. It's like a little end cap that they have. I always like to look at these. Sometimes you might find some great deals there. $24.98 for the 21 piece titanium. Definitely some nice bits there. And they do have a lot, so you got a 110 piece for $25.98. Includes pretty much everything. Yeah, last year they were on sale actually for $7. Not that one specifically, but something like that, really similar. $149 for that impact driver, drill driver. Definitely a great deal there. It seems like that's the display only. So that's just the box, but if you ask for it, I guess they just give you the tool. But yeah, definitely some great deals there for that $149. Smoking deal. And they are brushless, by the way, so not the newest, but one of the newer tools there. Some great tools. It's a 787. And you just gotta watch out for all these deals. You just gotta make sure you look at all the tools that they have, and make sure compare prices, because sometimes you can get, you know, a whole bunch of deals like that. $149 for the impact driver drill driver. That's a great deal. Just one by itself, it's $99. Basically, getting the other one for $50. And that's the 2 batteries for $99. You got some more drills here that actually feel very good. I like grabbing the tools and just feeling them, how they feel on the hand, if they're lightweight, you know, if they're heavy or not. Got some Bosch Cobalt 24 Max, and then you got the Craftsman. Pretty much all comparable, all same price. You got $299 for that 4 tool combo kit. You got some more single tools down there. It's a nice little kit for $9.98, 45 piece. $14.98 for the titanium. Well, it's not titanium, but you know, it's a bit, drill bit. $2.49. And then you got some more sales here at the end cap. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and have a happy new year. Thank you for watching.